Woyoy! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. You don't know, so we're there. Today, we're linking up someone who is actually not even from Jamaica. His name's Chris Must List, and you probably might have seen him before on YouTube, and he goes around Jamaica and vlogging all the ghettos and the garrisons. You see me? So he's given us a link today. He wants to link up. So I said, yeah, we'll carry him down Love Lane, YGP area. You know the thing for people. So yeah, man, we're gonna go and link the general now, pick up the man then first, go down there and make him get his vlog. So I'm just gonna do a little behind the scenes of him doing his thing. And you know our thing already, we're local now, people, I understand, but you soon get some vlogs of some other places and stuff. So let's do this. Yes, so we reached the Love Lane. The reason, if you go back a couple episodes, you would have seen the vlog from Love Lane, but I truly say, this is our place. We don't really vlog it like that. Alright? Yeah, so this is just man's place. So what we're gonna do today, for anyone who hasn't seen Love Lane, this is downtown Kingston. This is the heart of it as well. We're just gonna show you the vibes with Christmas List as well. So come on down there now. We gotta walk, go down and meet him. And yeah, it's quite weird to be the one that's carrying someone else around to look at the places. The more and more I'm in Jamaica, just more just like feels like my home. Honestly, just feels normal to me. Really, actually, just feels normal to me. I don't feel like I'm in a different place. Like, yeah. One IGP. Yo, you see the vlog today? You see, me, I bring the people then free vlog it for yesterday. A different thing, you know, with it. Bro, I say this is so normal, bro. Like, you have to make them know in a Jabari. Not anyone can just pull up here. Like, I just pull up. I just pull up every time. I don't call you, do I? I just pull up. You can't just pull up here, you know. I'm telling you that.
Yeah, what me to everybody forward, you know, it's a nice community.
Right.
Said we.
Right. And from time you forward, when you say YGP or you say M dot or anything, you know, it's a one connection. Is it? Yeah. Yes. Christmas little days in thing. You know what I'm saying? They say legacy. What do you mean by that, Jabari? What do you mean by that? Wouldn't like just all the history?
Yeah, history. Everything you want to know about him. Yeah. Come right here,
so Christmas List.
Yes.
I'm doing my episode as well.
Yeah, we're both. That's good. I
so,
like this.
Pleasure to meet you.
Yes, it's an honor.
I love your YouTube channel.
Yes. People
go check him out. If you obviously you know my YouTube channel, we do various different stuff, music vlogs. So there's just a vlogs of the ghettos here and there.
Yeah.
He's dedicated. This guy is dedicated to it.
I got a long list of places that I gotta go.
Like
and
I said, just
so,
like
man.
flankers and stuff like that. Because even for me, that's interesting. Because I haven't really even seen them places up there.
Yeah.
And I just think it's great what you're doing. You're definitely highlighting it in the best way. And I think I can see you growing with the Jamaican people. I'm getting more and more in tune to the culture.
2 out of every 10 people come up to me and say, Chris. So
love that.
I think that's the reason that gets me coming back.
Yeah.
The love, knowing that people are actually watching the content.
Yeah.
Come on, it's motivation to continue on. If nobody's watching, it's hard to stay motivated. But when they are, it's like, okay, one more garrison.
Yeah. So they like to see it. So yeah.
I love it.
So we're here at Love Lane, people, downtown, the heart of Kingston, the heart of downtown. You see me?
Hey, everybody can come back again. Tourists come in and
I don't see any tourists walking around the streets.
Because I don't know.
Oh, go on, brother.
Fully active in my agenda.
Fully active, my father.
Tough watch.
Like movie star then there, isn't it? You soon see the movie, people, trust me. Yeah, George. Catch piece of Cook and Vibe, cause different YouTube channel this in a better.
Cook and Vibe.
Yeah.
You know the thing going on, the real Ghetto president. You know me there with my bad bro M. That
is it.
See it out of UK.
Yeah.
And I know the thing going, you say Cook and Vibe, right channel.
Yeah.
You see, if you can't cook, you can catch how to cook.
True,
You see, if you want to
true,
get to spice them, you can check out M.Dot because him forward at Jamaica and he know everything we are going.
Yeah.
So people may tell you, say, cook and vibe and the right vibe. Cook and vibe are the thing. You can get chicken, you can get things to buy. Cook and vibe, that is the key. You get a
check out the Grand Spent episode with George P already, and you don't know, so we got the music video, Knock It, and we got a new song, new music. We have to play something.
Holy party right now.
Yeah.
You see me, cause you know the thing got one YGP, one.
And as you soon see we're there at England, we soon reach England. England, watch out. Your fans are gonna see it anyway, so you soon reach.
Use the music and lock down every corner.
That is it.
You only get a crocodile or iguana. Music in my blood from birth to my born. Want a skit, find a play, member on the drama. Music our life, M.Dot this is my dream. When I pull up in the scheme with my team, get a scream. Presidential rollings, Madam Mean. I win a smell green after me na Miss Abib. Well, music our hobby, you can find me in the lobby with a few sexy chicka try harass somebody. The real Ghetto president, me na mad smarty, daddy. UK, look out for it, Madam Mean.
Alright, we're so far with that. That is it. Outside. That is it. Radab. Yes, people. I'm not so there, man. That is it, George. Think you never play a ball. Just doing things. Yeah, big up Jabari, man. He helped fix up all this up in us.
One UK, yeah.
That is it. One IGP. Yeah, man. Up, my J. Respect and manners. That is it, people. So this is just the heart of it. Like, so if you go like round there, like that's like all like the main market in the town. If you go back to the end of the road there, I'll show you actually. It's just like, it's like Piccadilly Circus down there. It's fucking mental. But yeah, heart of Kingston, man. Love Lane, downtown. I know we've done it before, but you don't know we're linking up with Christmas this and doing it that way. Do you know what I'm saying? Big up. Go on, sis. You know, I send that up on my camera. See you walk. You know, I send that up to see your style, Jabari. Yeah, we're outside. Outside. That is it. Make them know. That is it, my brother, man. That is it. Outside. Respect and manners, you know. Love, art, I love. See it there, people. Chris are doing thing. Yeah. Family this. Don't think this is just that cook and vibes, this is my family.
Real family,
Yeah.
real life.
Yeah.
What them feel like.
Activity. What are you gonna say for my YouTube?
Oh, subscribe.
That is it. That is it. You see it there?
Watch out them run, guys.
You catch the assignment. That is it. Come on, them get them dancehall clothes and right.
Look them, look at the money quick.
Okay.
Look at the money quick to the man.
Downtown Kingston. What did they say it was? The theatre.
Yeah, it's a theater.
There we go, people. Big up my friend from Philippines.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, who lives in Canada.
Yeah.
He's literally just turned up in Jamaica. This must
Only a
be
few
this must be
hours.
crazy for you.
It's Philippines is kind of like this, so
Yeah.
kind of used to that. But
Right,
yeah,
right. Yeah, good vibes.
really good people.
Saying that's the front bit there, people. So that's the town bit there. And then you walk into Love Lane, this way. That is it. Yeah. Cook and vibe. Not Jabari chef. No, we don't get no cooking can cook and vibe.
Yeah.
Go for the coal pot and right, there, sir. Look up a pot. One YGP and a people. Look at the background. You don't know say a YGP. We hear it all the time. Oh, one YGP. Make you know that and non-stop screaming. Yeah. done wrap up the vlog now, people. I'm gonna give him a little freestyle for the channel now, isn't he? Yes, about to give Christmas list a freestyle.
I'm ready.
I've actually got something new, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, what
It's
you're
the
gonna
right
get,
timing,
what
right
you're gonna
location.
get is a brand new freestyle, which I actually got ready for 96 last night, but we didn't have enough time to run it.
Good nightly fix. I'm happy that we didn't make
Christmas
that happen
list
last
is
night.
getting the freestyle.
The
You hear
exclusive.
that? So yeah, man, we soon active up the speaker and we're ready to go.
Man, ganja man, can spend lovely and go straight up, welcome Samyadi. Ganja man, ganja man, ganja man. Burn it when them lock me up in the station, come here. Ganja man, ganja man, ganja man. Christmas this with it. I think I like Christmas this. I'm reading and
People, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Make sure you go over to Christmas List YouTube channel and check out the new freestyle. You get me? I say, yeah, man, good vibes, people. Christmas, like I say, goes around and gets all different areas. So we took him to Love Lane and he got that downtown Kingston. A good vibes, people. You get me? So I'll see you on Thursday. Just do the right thing if you haven't already. Big up section. I'll see you soon. Big up Christmas List. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where I go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oh, you're welcome to the big up section, people. You done that thing, set man, do the right thing if you ain't done it already. Press the like button, get the video moving, you get me? This week's big up Sean Turner, 4506. He says, has to be one of the greatest experiences ever to be fully accepted by the people that technically are not your people, that you love and their culture and basically are proud to have you represent their culture. This guy grew up around some Jamaicans, fell in love and grew up, wanted to sing it and be a part of it and did it. Big ups, raised not to see colour and truly godly love to all colours of people. I really like that comment, and honestly, bro, the feeling of exactly what you just said is crazy, bro. It's a blessing. It really is a blessing. And also big up EQ Ocha. He says, glad for the memes because that's how a lot of us found you, mate. And that is true, bro. That's why people say, sometimes people get upset about the memes. And I say, bro, it's cool, man. First of all, I'm used to it. And second of all, it does actually help. And third of all, I need to brush my hair before I do the big up section next time. I'm sweating, it's bare hot as well. See you soon, people, man. What are y'all eating?